Every part in Sindri starts with a sketch. First, pick the plane you want to draw on. The view squares up to it automatically. Then choose a shape. We'll use a rectangle. Click two corners to place it. Don't worry about being precise. Now type the width, press Tab and type the height. The shape is driven by the numbers, not by where you clicked. Finish the sketch when the profile is closed. Extrude turns that flat profile into a solid. Click the region you want to raise. Type how thick it should be and press Enter. That's the whole loop. Sketch, dimension, extrude. Everything stays editable afterwards.